If you're looking for an egg white replacement for your cocktails, then look no further than these Stillabunt Magic Velvet Foamers. And they don't just replace egg whites, they actually just kind of help you put a foam on top of a drink. I know I use this example all the time with like a Cosmopolitan. I hate the way a Cosmo looks, like dull, limp and lifeless on top. A few drops of this and you turn that Cosmo into a nice white frothy layer on top. So that is what these do. They're gluten-free, they're 100% vegan, they're sugar-free and they're alcohol-free. And I'll just get the brand new ones out of the box. I'll demonstrate with an open bottle in a minute. But just to give you a close-up, that's how it looks. This little bottle, and I've still not got through a whole bottle and managed to count exactly how many cocktails I've done, but they claim roughly 600 bottles because you can get away, or up to 600 cocktails because you can get away with kind of 6 drops. The amount of drops you use is completely up to you, but I'm just going to demonstrate in a second with 6 drops just on plain water, just to kind of give you the idea. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Make sure there's no tricks. Empty cocktail shaker, absolutely nothing in there. I've just got some water, plain old tap water, and to prove that is tap water, I'm just going to give that a quick shake. You know, there's nothing going on here, and what can we demonstrate in? We've got a little glass there, little coupe glass. There we go. I'm just going to pour that in there, look, and that is just water. Dull, lifeless, a few bubbles in there because I've just shaken it, but not much going on. So let's pour that back in here and demonstrate. Now this bottle's just come off the back of my shelf here. I'm just going to do 6 drops with this. So that's what it looks like in there. And they are tasteless as well, pretty tasteless, so you won't alter the taste of any of your cocktails. So I'm going to do, there's 1 just gone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops. 6 drops out of that whole bottle. Right, again, nothing in there, just that water. And just going to, again, give it what we call a dry shake, as you would do with egg white. And the pressure will build up, so make sure you've got a good sort of grip on your cocktail shaker. There we go. Nice, nice bit of foamage there. I'm not going to strain, but just look. This is what this has done now, look. Can you see the difference? Look at that layer of foam on top of your drink. It'll work with juices, it'll work with water, it'll work with spirits, it'll work with syrups. So you can kind of do flavoured syrup foams on top. The only thing I will say, purees are slightly thicker. You might need to add a bit more water just to kind of because obviously if it's really thick, syrupy, then it's not going to foam up. So you kind of want to loosen that syrup or puree a little bit. But that's, you know, perfect kind of genius. If you'd strained that, if you double strained it, you would have got a nice velvety smooth layer on top there. But that is the Stillabunt Magic Velvet Foamers. I think they are the must-have addition to make your cocktails look brilliant. That's just flipping water. Look what it's done.